Hello my lovely viewers, welcome to Zinat's Kitchen. I hope and pray that you are all well and safe and you had spent a lovely Eid. And today's tutorial is about dried vermicelli, which one of my viewers requested. So please follow me, I'll show you the ingredients and how I make it. Hello, here is the ingredients for the dried vermicelli. I am using 150 gram of vermicelli. This one is already roasted. I'm just going to crush it in the packet like that to make it smaller. It will be easy for me to handle. I have my homemade ghee. I am using 1 tin of carnation milk, evaporated milk, 1 tin of 410 gram. You can, for flavor, you can either put vanilla essence or rose water. It's up to your choice. A few almond, cashew nuts and pistachio, which I'm going to crush first. And sugar, which is half a cup, about 6 tablespoons. It's up to your taste. And I have raisins here, which is sultana, the dried one. I am going to use a little bit just to fry it together. And when I get it started, I'll get back to you, okay? It's on medium fire now. I'm just going to put my ghee. You can use any ghee, it's not a problem. Some people put butter instead of ghee, it's up to you. I think that should be enough, I think. About 2 tablespoons of ghee. First I am going to put the sultana to fry. I will wait until it's bubble up. I don't want it to burn, just a little bit of frying. Remember, the heat has to be on medium. I'm putting the nuts now. I forgot to mention to you about cardamom and cinnamon. But you will get everything in the description box anyway. I have to remove that from the ghee. Full 150 gram, okay? 150 gram of vermicelli. It's already roasted, this one. If yours is not roasted, you have to do it in a dry non-stick pan on a low fire so it does not get burned. Now this vermicelli can be vegan as well. If you don't put, instead of milk, if you put water, then it will be suitable for vegan. You can do it with water as well, or plain milk. I am doing it with milk. Now I am putting this creamy milk. So if you don't have that, you can use any milk, but then you have to cut down on the sugar because this milk is very sweet. I will cover it and let it cook on low fire for about 5 minutes. Here I am putting the almond, cinnamon, which is powdered one, and the cardamom as well. Just a little bit, at about less than a quarter teaspoon, and the cinnamon as well, less than a quarter teaspoon. And I'm going to put vanilla instead of rose water. It's up to you, whatever you have. And if you don't have also, it's not a problem. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now I'm going to cover this and let it simmer on low fire until it is all evaporated, all the milk. Then I will check the sugar, because evaporated milk is very sweet. I'm going to get back to you in a minute. It's smelling nice, all this elaichi and vanilla, all that. Nice. Okay, I'll come back to you in a while. It's dried now. I think I have to put, see, it is separating from the wok now. I have to put the nuts and a little bit of sugar, not much, because carnation milk is very sweet. Once it's cooked, we have to leave it to cool down, then we can separate it. Then it will look nice and fluffy. It will not be sticky. We just put the sugar, we have to just leave it to melt. It is on very low flame. Cooks very quick. If you make it with water, it's even quicker. I will leave it on low flame, maybe about 2 to 3 minutes, and that's it. Let's have a look now. I think it's ready, yeah. Okay. It's done. I will just have to leave it to cool down, and I will transfer it to a different dish. I will leave it to cool first, and then you will see. Here. Look how nice and fluffy it is after cooling down. It's so nice and smelling very, very nice. It is tasty as well. Please, I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Zinat's Kitchen, and see you in my next video. If you are new to my channel, please go and subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. See you in my next video. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching.